Let's get honest here. So many of us are living on autopilot, trapped in cycle shaped by survival, no intention. It's like waking up, rushing through your day, reacting to everything, and going to bed feeling unfulfilled, only to repeat it all again, right? Let me give you an example. Maybe you grow up hearing play it safe or don't take risks. Now, as an adult, you find yourself really hesitating to speak in meetings at school. You second guess yourself in your decisions, or you hold back from really doing something that scares you or launching a dream project that you have. Not because you cannot do it, but because you are running a subconscious script that says it's safer to stay small. But here is the truth: you are not here to repeat the past. You are here to rewrite it. Yes, yes. And everything begins with our awareness. Because once you see the design of your past and your current actions, you get to choose something new. Yes. Because the truth is, we are not hardwired to be one thing, to play one role, to think in one way for a lifetime. We are not. Our brains, our bodies, our identities, they are changeable. Your past does not define your future, but your beliefs do.